Alright, but if you're okay with a little less stability and potentially more money, I would recommend looking for what I call neighborhood jobs. Think tutoring, babysitting, pet sitting, landscaping. You'll definitely be able to make a lot more than minimum wage. For example, there are some tutors who charge 30, 40, 50, 60 an hour, and if you did well on the SAT or the ACT or did well in any of your classes, you'll probably be able to charge at least 20 to 30 an hour. And personally, I did do a little bit of tutoring during college. Of course, not in my neighborhood, so it wasn't really like a neighborhood job, but I did it online, and to be honest, it was a lot better than having a campus job. So some of the pros: flexibility and higher pay. Some of the cons: less stability. For example, you might not have a consistent schedule. You will have to prepare before each of your lessons, and you might sometimes have to deal with challenging students. Maybe they'll misbehave or won't listen, and you'll have to deal with that. Alright, so ratings: earning potential, I give this a 6. Flexibility, I give this an 8. Stability, I'll give this a 5. And difficulty, I'll give this a 6. Alright, next, if you want a job where you really don't have to be in person, you can explore freelancing.